Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy M32. Okay, first of all, let me tell you whatever language you will have on your phone with whatever letters, so the symbols and the positions I will show you right now will be always the same. So just follow carefully. Okay, first of all, we need to scroll down like this, and then we will have here at the corner the symbol for the settings. So tap it. And now you need to scroll down to the point General Management, and here we will have a gray symbol with some things to adjust in it. In front, okay, and just tap it. And now we will need the first point, Language. Tap it. So, and now we will have a list. And maybe your language is already part of that list. In case your language is part of that list, so just tap on the language you want to have then. So like Deutsch, so German in my case, and go on the blue button here to apply for the language. And now everything on the phone is in German. Okay, let me go back to explain you what you have to do in case your language is not part of that list. So if your language is not part of the list, we need that green plus symbol here, as you can imagine, to add a language. And so, yeah, you have many opportunities here. But let's keep going on with English to follow you better in that video. And at the second point, you can choose a dialect. Maybe let's choose the dialect here from the Philippines. Greetings, by the way. And now go here on Set as Default. And then English with the dialect of the Philippines will be our main language here on the phone. Yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in me. Just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. And thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.